my friends. Day 2 of construction of the firefighter coats. I am now sitting in front of my sewing machine. Our next job is going to be to select the right color thread to go with our fabric. So this is our fabric sitting here on my sewing desk. This is my front yard, which needs some cutting, and this is the sewing machine we'll be constructing this on. And this is a box of thread that I have. I've been sewing quite some time now, so I have quite a stash. When you have a lot of supplies, it's called a stash of items. And inside this stash, I need to find a color thread that will match our fabric. What color do you think would be the best color to select? Let us see. Should we use some light blue? Is that the same color? No, not so much. Okay, let's try maybe some red. This is kind of close. Do you see? The red thread is a little bit darker than the fabric. That might be okay, but maybe we can find something closer in color. This one looks very close, but there is not a lot of thread there, is there? That thread spool is very small. Let's compare it to the other spool. Do you see? This one is very tiny. This one is bigger. I think I have a measuring tape in my stash. Let us see. I do have measuring tape. Sometimes you have to compare the size of something to figure out if you think there might be enough. So here is the measuring tape. Here's the spool. This spool of thread is almost an inch long. 1.25 inches it looks like. So there's a little bit of thread here. How long do you think this spool is? Oh boy, there's quite a difference there, isn't there? It is almost 2 inches of thread. So this spool in the front is not enough. This spool in the back is bigger. So even though this is the same color, there is not enough to sew this whole bit of outfit. So we're going to put this one back. But I am thinking that maybe this one might do it. What do you think? This one is pretty close. And also, we have 2 of the same color. But those are very dark, aren't they? So I think I'm going to go with these 2 here because these 2 are a little bit dark. We'll go with these 2. Now I'm going to return these other supplies into my stash of thread. Later on, we will need this bias tape because it's going to make the trim on the firefighter outfit. So I'm going to return this in here. There are 2 of these bias tapes. There's a little bit of difference in color. Do you see it? One is darker, one is lighter, but it's close enough. I think this will work okay. And that's going to be the trim on our firefighter outfits. And I am thinking that it might be good practice for you all to figure out how to work snaps, to attach the snaps together. So this is the front of the snap, this is the back of the snap. So when you want to close your coat, you will have snaps to do that.